Nigerians are not smiling as they drag street king Naira Marley following the report that he and his boys assaulted his Saini, Mohbad. Mohbad shared very sad clips of his bloody body, which he claimed were a result of the assault he suffered at the hands of the Marlian crew after he requested to change his manager, who happens to be a member of the Marlian family. On social media, he wrote, "There have been some concerns about Mohbad's use of drugs and previous misunderstandings between himself and the Marlian crew to which he was signed. Remember that the NDLEA arrested Mohbad for drug possession, and a clip of him and members of the Marlian group smoking on the street was posted online. In an attempt to ensure that the latest issues aren't blamed on drugs, Mohbad tweeted, with another clip of his bruised body. Mohbad further shared a clip of the skirmish between him and a member of the Marlian crew as he calls for help. Mohbad tweeted in a post that has drawn sympathy and anger from fans over the senselessness of the assault on Mohbad and the bewilderment that it had to degenerate into this. Nigerians have blasted Naira Marley after he came out in a live video to say that Mohbad is lying. Singer Bella Shmurda has also dropped his 2 cents on the matter. See their reactions. Who do you think is telling the truth?